Hey guys, welcome back. So it's a little bit of a different video today. I just wanted to put something up so it was better than nothing. I hope you enjoyed last week's video looking back at the last 3 years on this channel. For those who follow me on Instagram, follow myself or the Detailing Space over on Instagram, you'll be aware that I've spent the last 3 days down at KDS with the Lake Country Manufacturing and Kelly Harris, recording a lot of content. And my plan was to get back last night. I didn't get back till about 1 AM, and then crack on today with editing a vlog of sorts and uploading that for you to watch today. Of course, that didn't go to plan. There is a hell of a lot of footage. In fact, Kelly's copied all of his cameras over. I think we had at one stage 4 of his cameras and 1 of mine, so we had a total of 5 cameras running. He's copied over half a terabyte onto a drive for me, and then I've still got all my footage sorted out. So you can imagine I've probably got 600 to 700 gig worth of footage to get through before I can even start on the editing. So hence this quick video to let you guys know what's coming up. So as I say, we've recorded a lot of content. I think I've got at least 8 videos out of it. So that's going to see you guys through from sort of like now, mid-late November, right through to the New Year's. A lot of content and a lot of useful content for you guys. So with Kelly Harris, if you don't know who Kelly Harris is, the first of all, where have you been? But he is the same Kelly Harris of KDS, who hopefully you guys have heard of at some point in your life. He is now the Global Director of Training, I think his title is, for Lake Country Manufacturing. So as I said, we've been down there, took my car down. The reason this came about, it's not a sponsored series or anything like that. First of all, I just want to get that out there. Kelly Harris is a good friend of John Howell, and they knew I wanted to do something with Lake Country. So yeah, basically what happened there is we got together and said, right, let's make a whole lot of content for the Detailing Space channel. And yeah, let's get my car sorted for the winter. That was the first and foremost. And whilst we're at it, let's try and educate some of you guys about Lake Country. So there's a lot of videos to come. There's a whole video just on pad talk. I think that's probably going to come out at 20 odd minute long. One on the LC Power Tools, which is the UDOS. So you've seen that before. That'll be coming up. And we learn a lot about Kelly's methods. So I know Kelly does training days. So this is like a bit of a sneak peek inside as to what you may learn on some of his training days. So I was fortunate enough to pick up some of that from him. What else do we do? There's a lot. There may even be several outtake videos. Also, what I want to mention then is once you finish watching this quick video, it's not the usual lengthy video from myself. Head over to the Lake Country YouTube channel, and there's a cracking series on there that I've been watching on a Honda Civic, just showing you all sorts of defects and how to tackle them. More importantly, the video I'm going to plug, I'll put a link up here and in the description below. There's a hour-long video. It is an hour long, and I've been putting off watching it, so I'm going to watch it at some point, of a Bentley. And from all the reviews I've heard, it is supposedly probably one of the best detailing videos. I've just had a quick look. It's only on about 12,000 views, and apparently it is the video everybody should be watching. It's had a lot of good feedback from a lot of well-known detailers as well. So yeah, make sure you go over to Lake Country Manufacturing's YouTube channel and check that video out. So to say, it's just a quick update, this video, just so you guys aren't missing anything and wondering where I've gone. I'm not missing. I am literally spending the next few weeks and months editing all of the footage we've got to try and keep up and bring you the content that you guys want. So yeah, I hope you're looking forward to that, and it's been a real privilege to go down there. And it's been really great meeting Kelly as well, one of the guys that I've always looked up to for detailing. When I first started, he was the master of detailing as such. I did get to meet him at the IDA meet just before COVID hit the entire world. I'll put a link to that as well up there. We did an IDA sort of like meet and greet day. So I did meet him there, but I spent the last 3 days with him and learned a lot from the guy. So really good polishing tips from him as well. So make sure you keep an eye out for that episode. So yeah, that's pretty much it for now then. As always, hope you enjoyed this video. It's not much today, I know, but if you could go ahead and smash that like button, and it really does help us out. Also, if you're not subscribed, make sure you do hit subscribe. As I said, this isn't how our videos normally are. It normally is detailing content. I just hadn't got anything for you today, so I'm just giving you guys this so you know where I'm at and what to expect over the coming weeks. So as always, hope to see you next time.